This is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
From the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2019, and this is Radio Thailand's Midday News Hour. I'm Kasang Ristarchit.
And I'm Benjamin Ruchopagan.
Making the national headlines this lunchtime. Locals in Phang Province Capital District developed a community into a seaside ecotourism village following a royal visit in 2001. Meanwhile, a recent opinion survey revealed that many respondents want the government to narrow the gap between people's income and cost of living. Looking at the global scene, a clash between two prison gangs leaves at least 57 inmates dead in the Brazilian state of Para. On the business agenda, the Tourism Authority of Thailand will organize the Rathyong Sea to Table campaign throughout August.
Our feature Thailand in Perspective today is on the National Anti-Corruption Fund.
We'll now take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail.
National News. Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Chiang Rai daily. Call 1771.
First up in today's national news. Locals in Phang Province Capital District have developed Bang Pat community into a seaside ecotourism village, improving the quality of life for locals following the visits of His Majesty the King and Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother, in 2001. According to villagers in Bang Pat, the April 12, 2001 visit is still fresh in the memories of local residents. The villagers said the visit had brought them joy, adding that it was very difficult to reach the location in 2001 when there was no electricity. They also said the area was plagued by poverty. Current village chief Sutipong Sanglang and former village chief Sawatdi Waharak noted that the royal visit had also brought prosperity to the village, as the Phang provincial administration had initiated a development program to transform the village into a seaside ecotourism community shortly following the royal visit. They said the village welcomes a large number of daily tourists with fresh seafood, overnight accommodation, and